Hey, what's up YouTube? Willington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield today we have the PULSE 3 going up against another light speaker, the SRS XB30. The speakers will be playing at 60 and 100% volume. I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so please use headphones for the best experience. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, il est toreros, peuvent s'entendre, pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein d'Ottoman. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur SoundBattle attrape la course.
Big dollar bill, stay with a paper trail, stay with 100 mil, big house in the hills, ice cubes on my neck, stay where the money at, in the back, counting stacks, new bands I'm buying that, all I see is green, money all around me, body on the throne, yeah, your girl be the queen bee, self-made bitch, yeah, I buy my own shit, Bentley, I got plenty Rolex on my wrist, got a stash in Brazil, yeah, I got a couple mil, yeah, call me the Don, calling shots on ill, got the house up in Philly, where we get a little chilly, got a condo with Toronto with my Billy, stack no millions.
So in front of the speakers, the XB30 is louder, but if you place the speakers in the center of the room and you find yourself behind them, the Pulse 3 is going to appear a little bit louder because of its 360 sound capabilities. And this also makes it more room-filling compared to the XB30. At lower volumes, about 40%, the XB30 will give you deeper bass with the extra bass on. But as you get to higher volumes, Sony cuts down the bass and it ends up being about the same as what's coming out of the Pulse 3. The highs on the Pulse 3 are not as sharp, as some people may find them more appealing than the sharp highs on the XB30. I personally prefer the mids and highs of the XB30, but this is only if you are in front of the XB30. If the speaker is in the center of the room, the people behind the XB30 will find sound of the Pulse 3 a lot better than that of the XB30, because the Pulse 3 has 360 sound. No matter where you are, you will get good sound, whereas the XB30 is directional. Only people in front of it get best sound, and those behind it get muffled sound. Generally speaking, I like the sound of the XB30, but if you're into lights, the XB30 is no match to the Pulse 3. This thing is way too beautiful, and I'm sure it's the main selling point here. But that's just me, and sound is so subjective. I would like to hear what you have to say about these two in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.